Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Best Metal Cutting Brands 2020. It is indeed a great pleasure to have all of you with us. The Economic Times Best Brands in Metal Cutting and Metal Forming 2020 is an ET Edge initiative. And our knowledge partner for this initiative is Breakthrough Management Group India Private Limited, popularly known as BMGI. The Best Brands list is based on the market research conducted by BMGI. The Machinist magazine is driving this project from the editorial point of view. Now, let's begin with the proceedings with the traditional lamp lighting. And for this, may I please invite our distinguished guest to do the honors. Let me start with Mr. Naresh T. Rai Singhani, CEO and Executive Director, HPS BMGI, to join us on stage. Shri M.V. Rajashekar, Chairman and Managing Director, BEML, Dr. Sujata Narayan, Regional Vice President, Wabtec Corporation, and Apurv Kumar, Head Content, ETH. Thank you very much, but I'm also going to request Mr. Apurv Kumar to stay back for his opening remarks.
It gives me immense pleasure and confidence to be back doing live events, meeting people face to face, and ensuring that the industry bounces back. So I would like to definitely begin by thanking all of you for the confidence that you've shown in us and for being physically present with us here today. It is often said that it is the reaction to an adversity and not the adversity itself that determines how your future will be. As businesses across different sectors and in countries across the world gear up and try to find synchronization in a post-COVID world, India is uniquely positioned to take advantage of its geopolitical and socio-economic changes and become a manufacturing hub, especially backed by the Prime Minister's sentiment of becoming a self-reliant nation. The metal cutting and the forming industry form an essential and a core part of the growing manufacturing sector in India, where it serves the auto, defense, aviation, hospitality, healthcare, and many other SMBs across business verticals. However, with a gamut of Indian and international players competing in the market, how can the industry know which is the best brand for it? It is thus our endeavor and initiative, and in the best interest of the Indian manufacturing industry, that the Economic Times has made its mission to identify the best metal cutting and forming brands in the country through the coffee table book that will be launched later today. This coffee table book will highlight the key players from the Indian metal cutting and forming industry by analyzing their performance on a variety of parameters, some of which are, of course, their unique service offerings, their market presence, and the brand recall. A very warm welcome to all of you for today's conference, and wish you all a great success. Thank you.
Before I call on stage our chief guest to deliver the keynote address, I would like to give you a brief introduction about him. A wonderful personality indeed. Shri M.V. Rajashekar, who has a professional experience over a period of 33 years in BEML. He is currently the chairman and managing director for BEML. With this, I hand over the stage to Mr. Rajashekar.
It gives me an immense pleasure to be here, to be amongst you, who have really contributed to the growth of Indian economy through your contribution to manufacturing, by supplying great tools and instruments to the manufacturing industries, and also by enhancing the image, brand image of your own companies, and of course the country India. Over the years, manufacturing has contributed greatly to the Indian economy. But there are some concerns, and then of course I want to talk about the opportunities. If you look at this production year, April and May, I think you agree with me, is a total washout for all of our companies, total washout. And then June, just ceremoniously we started, then really we picked up, from July onwards, really we picked up. It's great to the Indian spirit, great to the freedom of all of you, including me, all the people here. As a country, we survived. We have enhanced the brand of the country India. Along with, of course, your own companies, you have enhanced your brand image. So that is a great thing. Now world is looking at India now. So now consider the manufacturing sector. Manufacturing contributes a great to the job creation. I believe that manufacturing, if it is robust, the jobs will be much more stable and definitely they'll be there for 15 to 20 years. So it is endeavor to ensure that manufacturing sector survives. And really I compliment Economic Times to come out with such a wonderful time to come out and with this event. And I came to know, understand that many people are being awarded for their excellent contribution to manufacturing industry and for excellent contribution for enhancing the brand image of their own companies. So therefore, my advance compliments, congratulations to all of you. I mean, keep it up. Let us take India to top position in manufacturing, and we should be the world leaders in manufacturing. And only India can do, because we have so much of strength, manpower strength at our will. And the only thing is we need skills, we need a better attitude towards quality and social security for our people. That's all we can go ahead. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, Economic Times, and thank you very much for your patient hearing. Let us rock it. Let us take India forward. Thank you very much.
I would now like to invite on stage Mr. Naresh T. Rai Singhani to say a few words. Let's hear it from him.
It's an honor and pleasure to be with the distinguished guests here. If I were to look at the calendar year 1920, I think all of us, I'm sure, whether we state it or not, might have gone through fear, anxiety, might have gone through definitely life disruptions, and obviously business disruptions. We didn't have a choice. We were asked to close down at several places. Having said that, when I look at the coming calendar year 2021 and 2022, I said, I need to look at it a little more by standing back. So there are a few guidelines that I have and tips that I have for the team. Step number one, or recommendation number one, even if you are expecting great growth, you are seeing good numbers, calculate your profitability, be extremely cost conscious, and assume same numbers as last year of your revenue so that your profitability is designed to be far superior. So take up cost cutting projects or cost management projects as one of the first things for the upcoming year, even if you're doing better. The volumes will anyway give you this. The second thing which I would suggest is, for a strategic outlook, take a 3 to 5 year lens this time. So instead of just looking at 1 year, what I would advise is take a 3 to 5 year lens, revalidate your plans or rejig your plans so that you are at least thinking of 2x your type of growth. The third component which I would suggest is to try to think about customer intimacy. We are largely, the people who are sitting here are in the B2B kind of servicing. Your customers will value more if you try to create joint projects with them or try to come up with innovative ideas which are there. The last component which is there, we are here for a brand event, and I just thought that I will just bring our thoughts on the concept of brand. The brands will remain or can get challenged as we proceed. So today's day is a day when we are planning to not only look at the established brands, but also the emerging and challenging brands. And what is necessarily the list for today may not be the list for tomorrow. The leaders have to keep trying to do something better and better, or the challengers being very hot on your heels and somebody might take you over. So in advance, wishing all the winners best of luck and congratulations. And for the ones which are wanting to become winners, the floor is open. Next year might be the year for you. So congratulations once again. Thank you.
We're going to move ahead towards the unveiling of the cover of the coffee table book for the Economic Times Best Brands in Metal Cutting and Metal Forming 2020. And welcome back to the Best Metal Cutting Brands 2020. And now's the time when each of you are going to have a big smile on your faces. So the moment of recognition that all the best brands have been waiting for. Before we proceed, I would like to mention that these felicitations will take place in an alphabetical order of the company name and not in any order of rank or importance. And now, let's begin by watching an AV to see the first best brand to be felicitated. It is the Ace Micromatic Group with its group companies. Let's find out which is the first company from this group to receive the trophy. Absolutely, put our hands together for Ace Designers Limited. Let's watch the next AV to see what brand is next in line. And it is the Ace Micromatic Manufacturing Intelligence Technologies, which is popularly known as AMIT. And the next AV, please. Let's keep the applause rolling. Next in line, Ace Manufacturing Systems Limited, which is popularly known as AMSL. Best brand trophy goes to Micromatic Grinding Technologies, also known as MGTs. Can we have the next AV, please? The next brand name is Bharat Fritz Werner. All right, do you want to see who's next on the list? All right, let's watch the AV, please. And there it is, Saratizid India Private Limited. Can we have the next AV, please? Yes, it is Chavan Group SE. Moving forward, let's see who's next on the list. Put your hands together for Cosmos Impex India Private Limited. All right, now let's see who takes home the next best brand trophy. The next brand is ExxonMobil Lubricants Private Limited. A round of applause, please. Let's look at who's next in line. Give it up for Forbes and Company Limited. The company manufactures precision engineering tools under the brand name Totem. Let's see who's next on the felicitation list. Put your hands together for Aegis India Private Limited. Let's hear it for the next brand on the list, please. Let's give it up for Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. Let's watch who's next in line. Put your hands together for Kenna Metal. We're gonna watch who's next in line. Let's put our hands together for Lakshmi Machine Works Limited, LMW. So we watch the next in line to take the trophy. Give it up for LVD Strip It India Private Limited. Can we see the AV to see what brand is going to be here next? The next best brand is MMC Hard Metal India Private Limited, a subsidiary of Mitsubishi Materials Corporation, Japan. And eyes on the screen for the next felicitation indeed. It is Motul Tech. Let's see what brand is to follow next. A round of applause for Murata Machinery Limited. Okay, now time to see who's next on the list. The next best brand is Pro Arc Welding and Cutting Systems Private Limited. Who is the next leader? We'll watch the AV. And the next best brand is Rajmani Industries. The next AV, please. Give it up for SNT Machinery Private Limited, located in Coimbatore. Let's watch the next AV, please. Give it up for SLTL Group, the Saharan Laser Technology Limited. Let's see who the next felicitation is for indeed. Everybody, let's give it up for the best brand, Spurti Machine Tools Private Limited. And let's look at the AV next. It is Trishul Machine Tools Private Limited. Let's watch a AV to see who's the next best brand. A round of applause for True Cut Precision Tools Private Limited. Let's look at the screen to see who's next. Let's give it up for Tyrol Lid India Super Abrasive Tools Private Limited. Let's look at the AV to see who's next. Let's give it up for WIDIA. The next AV for the next best brand in line. Give it up for Widmer. That brings us to the end of the felicitation ceremony, and I would love to request Dr. Sujata Narayan to deliver her special address. Dr. Sujata Narayan is the Regional Vice President for Wabtec Corporation in India and the Managing Director of Favorly Transport Rail Technologies India Limited, a Wabtec group company.
First and foremost, I would like to congratulate all the companies that got felicitated, but also every single one of us, because we survived 2020. Probably the most difficult year that all of us have gone through in our lifetime and probably will go through. But we have emerged successful, and I'd like to thank the Economic Times and the Machinist magazine for organizing this event. Wabtec is a leading rail technology player in the world. So we really believe that while we are a multinational company, we are truly epitomizing an Indian company with the background of a multinational company. So we have access to great technologies and great talent from the globe. But we are an Indian company in a very big way. $500 million business, 3,000 employees, engineering done in India, 1 million square feet of operational footprint. And all the products that we sell, this $500 million, is more than 70% localized. So, truly an Indian company is the way we look at it, and I feel like we epitomize to a large extent both the Make in India as well as the Atmanirbhar policies of the government. So when I joined the company about 4 years ago, I ran a very big campaign around what is called 3 non-negotiables, and I welcome you to adopt it if you haven't already done so. I'm sure many of you have. These were simply based on quality, safety, and compliance. Compliance includes integrity and ethics. And it sounds very simplistic, it sounds really obvious, but the amount of effort that we have taken to drive these 3 parameters into the mindset, into the DNA of our people, has been tremendous. And this has been one of the biggest success factors for us as a company. But also, I just want to talk a little bit about branding. So before the job that I have with Wabtec, I worked for 3M Corporation, and I was leading a business that had everything to do with branding. So I came in and I challenged my team as to what's the value of branding? Why do we need a media strategy? Why do we need a communication strategy? And I have my communications lead here sitting who believes passionately that it is relevant to every single type of business. And I can tell you it is. It builds your credibility, it builds your visibility, it builds your respect in the outside world. And of course, from a talent retention, your employees feel really proud of being part of the company when you have a strong brand. And similarly, your talent attractions. Really good talent want to come and work for you if you have a strong brand. So I'd really strongly recommend that in part of your business strategy as well. The government of India, I believe, is truly, truly trying to bring India into the global radar. I think we're sitting on a global opportunity with the situation with China to really step up there. And the only way to do that is, again, credibility by outstanding performance. So with that, I'd like to thank the organizers for the opportunity to meet all of you. It was really a pleasure getting to know this industry and the players, and for the opportunity to speak. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being a part of the Best Metal Cutting Brands 2020. Have a good one.
It is my pleasure to welcome you to the Economic Times Best Metal Cutting Brands 2020. In brief, can you please let us know about your company?
MMC Hard Metal India Private Limited is a 100% owned subsidiary of Mitsubishi Metals Corporation Japan, popularly known as MMCI. Mitsubishi Metals Corporation Japan works on a corporate philosophy for people, society and the earth. And we represent our tools by a brand called Diage.
Would you like to share with us about your journey so far in India?
Started way back in 1998 with one single employee. I joined this company as a second employee in year 2000. Since then, we kept on growing year after year. And in 2006, we established our Indian company with head office at Bangalore and a stock center as well. We have now 4 branch offices, one each in Pune, Ahmedabad, Gurgaon and Chennai. And we have a manufacturing plant in Aurangabad and a technical center in Pune.
We will be interested in knowing your actions during COVID pandemic, lockdown and post-lockdown both.
First and foremost thing, what we did is we never panicked during the pandemic, during the lockdown. What we did is we continuously kept in touch with our employees, our business partners, their teams, and most importantly, our customers. We utilized the digital technology very effectively and kept constantly in touch with our customers and all our employees and conducted various online courses for them to improve the technical knowledge, which helped us after the lockdown when the industry started picking up.
What makes Mitsubishi stand out from other brands?
The name has in it Mitsubishi Materials Corporation. We are a company which is renowned in producing purest forms of materials. So our tools are manufactured by using our own technology and our own material. That's why our tools are extremely consistent when it comes to the performance year on year. And this is vouched by our customers as well.
Would you like to share with us about future plans of Mitsubishi for India?
Mitsubishi is very serious about its investments in India, and we have big plans for this country. As I mentioned, in 2016, we established the first manufacturing plant in Aurangabad. We established technical center in 2019 in Pune, and in next 5 to 7 years' time, we plan to establish a couple of more manufacturing plants under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Yojana.
Thank you so much, Prashant, for this.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Our focus on quality, consistency and reliability of delivery is what has been driving our brand promise and the brand experience with our customers. Our main objective of brand promise has been over the years to make sure that we meet the industry requirements over the years, keep pace with the growth and development of the industry, and to make sure that we help our customers succeed in the market where they are in. And that's what our brands stand for, and that's what makes our brand the best.
Thank you so much for the ET for selecting us as the best brand. This is our 25th year of being in the business, and at this moment getting this award is a great thing. And I dedicate this award to our team and the entire S&T family.
Trishul it's about 25 years old. We stand for reliability and reliability quality, that's it. And respond to the customers when they have issues, and application engineering. The industry in UK they use the word Trishul very often for polygon turning. I think that's a good brand indication you can make out.